I'm Sharon Moore, Operations Manager and in charge of commercial renewals. I assist the insureds in navigating their commercial policy renewals, helping them understand how their policy needs change with how their business has grown and changed over the past year. The most common mistake I see is that insureds do not estimate their sales correctly for their upcoming policy term, and the audit that takes place at the end of the term can be costly. It is always best to estimate as accurately as possible, or if sales are much higher than expected, report it midterm to have that accounted for and save you quite a bit of money at the end of the policy audit. One thing clients are surprised to learn is that surplus commercial policies are not continuous and need to be renewed each year, which involves reviewing your current business needs, new paperwork, and new premiums. If financing, this means a new down payment. What happens when someone files a claim? First, let's make sure the damage definitely exceeds your deductible. You do not want to file a claim if the damage does not exceed your deductible, or even if the damage is not significant enough after the deductible to justify filing a claim. A claim will be on your file for the next 5 years and will likely affect your premiums. After filing, an adjuster will reach out within 24 to 48 hours to schedule a time to meet with you. They will take it from there and coordinate with the carrier on the amount of the claim payout and issuing you a check. Always ask if all of the coverages needed by the companies you are contracted to work for are on your policy. The companies you are working for will generally have an MSA that will list the insurance requirements needed. By providing this to your agent, we can make sure you have everything you need before showing up on the job site. I certainly didn't write any "I want to be an insurance agent when I grow up" as a child, but I certainly am glad I'm here. I moved back home to San Angelo shortly after my husband passed away and was one of the first hires at Texas Select when Court first started the agency almost 5 years ago. I had known the McCutcheons for years, and I think things happen for a reason. So when Court offered me the job, it was meant to be. I'm a helper by nature, and helping people is what insurance is all about. A thing about me outside of work is I'm a very dedicated person to my family. I have 2 grown sons and 2 granddaughters that I'm very proud of. I love to travel, and I'm challenging myself to try new things all the time. One thing I can promise you will get at Texas Select is top-notch customer service. Our agents will guarantee you get the best service at the best value, and our customer service is second to none.